Old memories fade, and some photos lose their clarity over time. But what if AI could make them look new again? Clear, colorful, and full of life. HitPaw Photo Enhancer is an advanced AI-powered tool that helps you both upgrade image quality and restore old photos. With AI upscaling, HitPaw boosts your photo resolution up to 4K, making blurry images look crystal clear and professional. First, I'm going to try uploading a low-resolution photo. In less than 10 seconds, the photo has been enhanced to a higher quality. With HitPaw PhotoP, there's a unique feature that sets it apart from other software: the Face Restoration tool, which helps recover facial details that might be lost or distorted during the image enhancement process. In just about 20 seconds, the photo has been fully enhanced. It's sharp, and all the facial details have been accurately and realistically restored. Before, after, and before, and after. Alright, now I'm going to try another photo. I followed the same steps as before, and the results are just as impressive. The photo has been beautifully enhanced, with sharp quality, and all the facial details accurately and realistically restored. Before, after. Next, I'm going to try an animal photo to see how well the image enhancement works in this case. As expected, the enhancement results are absolutely amazing. Not only human faces, but even animal features come out sharp and full of detail. And before and after. Let's move on to the next feature: image restoration. HitPaw's AI restoration model removes noise, repairs damage, and even colorizes black and white photos. I'm going to upload an old colorless photo and click to generate. After just a few seconds, the photo has been fully restored and colorized. Let's take a look at the result. The photo has been amazingly restored. The facial features, hair, and clothing details are sharp and accurate. The colors look natural, and the result is truly beyond expectations. And before and after. Alright, I'm going to try another old photo to see if the results will be as good as this one. Just like the previous one, this photo has been beautifully restored. The facial features, hair, and clothing details are sharp and precise, with natural, lifelike colors. Before, after. It seems HitPaw PhotoP can bring any old photo back to life perfectly, just like new. Besides the two main features, AI upscaling and AI restoration, HitPaw PhotoP also includes other great tools like AI replace, AI remove background, and object removal. These features work really well and are definitely worth using for photo editing and design projects. To sum it up, from low-quality photos to vivid HD images, and from damaged memories to lifelike restorations, HitPaw PhotoP does it all automatically, with just one click. Download HitPaw PhotoP today. Whether it's one photo or 100, the AI does all the heavy lifting.